what? A ranch with a bonus and full bath over the garage? Yep. Open floor plan with a great split bedroom layout. Lots of beautiful hardwood floors. Granite kitchen with large usable island. Espresso cabinets with stainless appliances. All bedrooms have walk-in closets. Bay breakfast area with view of acres of natural HOA land. Relax on the screen porch. Sizable master bedroom with raised vanities, large tile shower and soaking tub. Nice laundry and mudroom with storage cubbies. Huge bonus west. Own bath. Walk-in storage.